Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for a home in one of Mandeville's upscale neighborhood with great income potential? Well, this two-family home might be just the one you are looking for. Each dwelling has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with in-unit laundry areas. The main home is a 2-story with kitchen, living and dining areas downstairs, and 3 bedrooms and bathrooms are all upstairs. There is also another space just as you come up the stairs to be used as another sitting area to read or relax, one that gives you the flexibility to use as desired. The property has both NWC and water harvesting on property. It sits on approximately quarter acres of land with lush green grass, beautiful landscaped. Make your appointment to view today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.